Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Now, guys, listen, this is Hawaiian Electric, okay? Now, I said yesterday in the room that I did not want to take advantage of what's going on in Hawaii to short stocks and all that. Hawaiian Airlines, certainly. But it came to light that it's possible that Hawaiian Electric, they're going to be blamed for this horrible disaster that's happening in Maui right now. So when we looked at this morning and we were watching this sort of hovering around the 20 mark, and once it broke down through 20, I said, well, guys, you know what? I'm going to short this one and see where it takes us. And look at this. Now, it's bounced off 18 a little bit, but I'm going to short this one just under about 1980 and rode most of it down. I covered some around 1950 and then rode most of it down to 18. Now we're just waiting to see if this has, if it's going to keep moving down or is it going to bounce. This is an all-time low, though, where it is right now. So anyway, that's what unfortunately made it a great trade. Anyway, have a great evening, guys. We'll see you in the trading room tomorrow.